Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create black bars for your video on CapCut apps. So in here, what you need to do is just add a black image first. Under these stock videos, you can easily find this black image. Now go to mask and select the film strip. Now click on invert. Now it will go like this. Then you can just rotate, click on the check icon and rotate it like this. Go to mask again and just adjust the size. You can just adjust it like this. Okay, now make it big, and I'm going to rotate it to around like this until you can just zoom it in. Okay, and make it out of frame like this, and then add a keyframe at the start of the black overlay and move forward a bit, add another keyframe and zoom in the black overlay until you made this black bars. Okay, now go to grabs, this one, click on custom and create this grabs right here. Okay, click on the check icon and now go to where you want the zoom to end. So I'm going to end it in here, for example. Add another keyframe and then zoom out the black bars until it's out of frame like this. Now click on grabs again, click on custom and make this custom grabs. Click on a check icon and you are done. So your video will go like this with the black bars. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, comment and also click on thanks. Bye.